Welcome! In this short video, we will show you how to refill the toner and replace the residual toner container in an Océ PlotWave printer. This procedure applies to these PlotWave models. Before getting started, it's advisable to download the operation guide from the Océ website. Please note that you cannot refill toner whilst the PlotWave is printing. Begin by pressing the settings button up here on the top right hand corner. Now press here on the toner button. The user panel provides you with detailed instructions on the toner refilling process. Make sure that you use toner suitable for your Océ PlotWave printer. The toner kit will contain one residual toner container and 2 new toner bottles. You must fill only one bottle of toner at a time. When you fill more than one bottle, the compartment will flood and the toner will spill. When you have refilled 2 toner bottles, you must also replace the residual toner container. Take one new toner bottle and invert it just like this 20 times. Open the toner compartment, which is situated on the top left-hand side of your PlotWave. Remove the tape from the new toner bottle. Do not attempt to open the toner bottle. Insert the new toner bottle just as we show here. Now pull the slider to the left. The new toner will fill directly into the PlotWave. Tap the toner bottle gently sideways to ensure that all toner flows from the bottle. When the toner has completed filling, move the slider to the closed position. Then close the toner compartment. Now, let's replace the residual toner container. Please note you cannot replace the residual toner container whilst the PlotWave is printing. The residual toner container should only require replacement for every 2 toner bottles that are refilled. The residual toner container compartment is located on the lower left side of your PlotWave. Open the door and remove the used residual toner container. Take this round cap from the side of the used residual toner container and use it to seal the used container, just like this. Now insert the new residual toner container, then close the compartment door. At the user panel, press the next button. Your PlotWave will confirm that the toner has been filled. Now press the finish button here on the bottom right hand corner. All done.